Need to update your email on Temu? In this video, I'll show you how to change your Temu email address quickly and securely. So, let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the U tab located at the bottom of the screen. Here, tap on the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, look for account security and tap on it. Now, find the email option and tap on edit next to it. Temu may ask you to verify your identity before making any changes. You might receive a verification code through your current email address. Enter the verification code to continue. Now, type your new email address in the provided field. Double check the email address to make sure there are no typing mistakes. After that, tap the continue button. Temu may now send a verification code to your new email address. Enter the verification code to verify your new email. Once verified, your Temu account email address will be successfully updated. And that's it. That's how you can change or update your email address on the Temu app. Thanks for watching.